to this lecture. In this lecture, you will be known what is CSS, cascading style sheets. About two, you will learn how it is going to be helpful for to develop HTML projects and web applications and web projects to be making a beautification of the environment and the project. Let's see how it is. CSS, we have known our earlier lecture also, cascading style sheet. CSS describes how HTML elements are to be displayed on screen or paper or in other media. If you have taken like a printout of a HTML form which is designed and styled applied by CSS, you will get a beautification of a printout of the paper. As well as the screen, you will get a beautification. Now, CSS saves a lot of work, can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. External style sheets are stored in CSS files folder. We have created a project called HTML. In this particular folder, we have in a folder called CSS. All the external CSS will be placed in this particular folder and will be called like an external file of CSS by making the link item which is available to called by HTML form. CSS simplified a big problem. Why it is simplified? HTML was never intended to contain tags for formatting a text or formatting a web page. HTML5 was created to describe the content of a web page like H2, like this is the heading, and a P tag for this is the paragraph content like this. When tags like font and color attributes were added to the HTML 3.2 specification, it started a nightmare for web developers. Development of large websites where fonts and color information were added to every single page became a complex and expansive process for web development environment. The huge development manpower and the time is required to do like vast applications and projects. To solve this problem, the World Wide Web Consortium W3C created CSS. CSS removed the style formatting from the HTML page and it will be created like a separate .css form and it is applied entire the project. You can create a one single shot of that CSS file and entire how many pages are there. It not a matter to you. Having huge number of pages of your complex project, you can apply with a single CSS form to entire project. That will be resolved your task and with the easiest. It's a simplified, I can simply tell you. I hope you are understand about what is CSS and how it is helpful for to develop a beautification to applying the beautification and the styling of your HTML forms and pages to complete the entire project. And I hope you are very aware of how to use the CSS for the purpose. We'll see the next lecture onwards to be like implementing to start begin with the implementation to applying of these CSS styles. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.